Hey everyone, if you've been wondering how to buy Robux using GCash in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to get Robux without needing a credit card or PayPal. First, open the Roblox website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Robux icon and click on it. You'll see the option to buy Robux. Go ahead and choose the amount you want to purchase. For this tutorial, I'll pick the smallest amount just to show you how it works. After selecting your Robux, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. You'll see options like credit or debit card, PayPal, redeeming a Roblox card, and other. Click on other and you'll see a list of secure payment options. If your account is set to the Philippines, you'll find GCash in the list. Click on GCash and then hit continue. Now, all you need to do is enter your email, follow the prompts, and confirm your payment. Just like that, your Robux will be added to your account. It's quick, secure, and super easy. And that's it. Buying Robux with GCash has never been simpler. If this helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.